Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of me and my friend getting money because, yeah, we're kind of broke. Wait, here, I can buy both of us a big backpack.
Alright, part 2 of getting money, let's go. Hold on, is there anything in here? I'm lagging so badly.
Wait, no, here, wait, sell the brown backpacks. I'm gonna sell your brown backpack. Do you want it or do you want me to sell it?
Alright, no, I'm okay. Alright,
Brother, I missed.
me and my friend getting money. And wait, cause we're kind of broke. I used to be at 7, he used to be at like 300. Now we're at 796. We just went to sewers.
Wait.
Alright.
I got 5 out of 2 backpacks.
I got 5. Alright, the lag's better.
Wait, you want to go to Haunted or do you want to go to like actual mines?
Let's go to actual mines.
No, I think Haunted will be better because we could get more money.
Oh yeah. We could like sell the key. I don't know.
No, here, wait.
Let me see if I have anything in my.
Yo, here, I have the key. I have the key.
Oh.
You know the way there, right?
Alright. Yes.
Wait, you want me here? Wait, I think I could buy you a grappler.
Yeah, please. Then I'm gonna put my revolver in my bag.
I'm $999 short.
Well, my game's lagging. I might be a little slow.
You coming?
Yeah.
Oh my! I almost landed in a landmine. Here, wait. Do you want me to wait for you? Do you want me to wait for you at Haunted?
No. No. I don't know the way.
Okay. Here, come here. This way. It's this way. Here, it's this way.
Hold on.
Here, follow me. Follow me. Here I go. Oh, watch out! Big ogre! Big ogre! I'm going on ceiling.
Alright, you go on ceiling.
Here, wait. Yeah, no, wait. Yo, come back. I'm gonna wait here for you.
It was no.
I killed him. Run back. I killed him.
I'm going as fast as possible. I'm at the end of the lane.
You almost here?
I'm jumping down.
Here, grab your stuff. Hurry. Come on, Angler's right there. This way. This way. It's over this hill.
Okay. Perfect. I get the key out.
Wait.
They don't love you like I love you?
No, wait. They hate you like they hate you.
Wait, no one loves you?
Same to you, buddy.
Yippee! Twinsies!
Oh, there's blue crystals. I'm gonna go for the blue crystals. Yo, try to mine as many crystals as you can so we can get money.
I fell.
Okay, I must stay up here getting money. Wait, like you fell all the way down?
No, I just keep falling.
Alright, I'm just gonna get money really quick.
I'm gonna mine the blue crystals down here.
Got it. Okay, I'm almost done. Not really, I'm still up here mining. There's a bunch of them just respawned.
I quite literally got one crystal.
Okay, I'm coming down, my backpack's full.
Okay. Alright.
Anyway, I don't have enough money. Can you do the parkour?
Yeah, I can do the parkour.
Alright, I made it here. I'm just gonna wait for you, and then I'll sell.
Whee!
I think I got a little bit. Wait, give me a second.
No!
Just drop the crystal. I can pick it up with my backpack. Alright, ready to sell? Ah, I got it. You're stupid.
Alright. 800. I used to be at 7, now we're at.
I used to be at
There's
1,000.
still one in there.
I used to be at 1,000, now I'm at 6,000.
I'm at 5,000. There's still one in there.
No, there's not. You have schizophrenia.
Hold on, I'm gonna grab it.
What the? Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. And if you hated this video, subscribe
Thank you
so you can
guys
get the next
for
one. And if you like this
watching.
video,
Part 3
subscribe so you
coming
can like the
out.
next one.